Hi doves, welcome back to another vlog, and today without wasting time I'm going to be showing you 10 places you can visit in Kampala, Uganda in case you're very interested in horse riding. So the very first place is called Garuga Republic Entebbe. The second place is called Flame Tree Stables Gayaza. The third one is called Forest Park Resort Buloba. The fourth one is called Peak Resort Munyonyo. The fifth one is called Reshoke Country Club. The sixth one is called Nile Safari Lodge, Jinja. Number 7, Mburo National Club. Now this one is in a game park. Number 8 is Kavumba Recreation Center. It's the most cheapest at 10,000. You can go horse riding. At number 9 we have Hilltop Horses Port Portal in case you find yourself in Port Portal. And at number 10 we have Nile Horseback Safaris. Now I hope I have mentioned all the places you need to go visiting in case you want to go horse riding. Now you will find different packages, different prices, but I just wanted to list this out because a lot of people have been asking on TikTok, where can they go horse riding, what are the prices, what are the places, because these people who do horse riding services, they tend to shift a lot. So these are the current places they are at. So in case you want to go horse riding,